Hi everyone, thank you for tuning into Moeness YouTube channel. As you know, this is the very first video. It's also the last video of the year. And it so happens that this is also my very first Nendoroid from the Kantai collection series. And this one here is Shigure Kai-II, which just arrived, and it's the model number 632. Now we'll have a look at the greater detail on the package contents right after this. Okay, so let's get on with the show. We shall unbox this Shigure Kai-II right now with the cut over here. Right now, let's have a look. The box is huge. Instruction manual over here. Okay, now this is the box content. It's 2 layers. Well, at least it looks like 2 layers to me. Let me see. Oh, wait, before that, let's have a look at this. Okay, underneath, which is taped. Slightly not so sharp blade is here. Okay, let's look on the bottom piece. This bottom piece here is actually where the secondary pieces are, like the bathing suit body, some arms and legs, the guns with what looks like the this is the missile, or more like torpedo, yeah, the float, the basket, and the huge base plate over here, and the stand. Over here is the Shigure Kai-II itself. Apron, the fire, the cannons, the smaller turrets, guns, and 2 face plate, and the cute ribbon over here. Let's open it up. I'm quite gentle with opening. Oh, this is tough. Okay, let's start from the top here. Alright, so here she is. Oops, it's out of focus right now. But, well, here are the parts. Here's Shigure Kai-II herself. Let me unwrap her from the packaging. It's we'll go into close-ups now. Hang in there. Here. Alright, so let's have a look. Looks good. I'm gonna remove all the covers. So this is her. Looks cute, doesn't she? Alright, and the body. Let me remove all the plastic. Right. So many of them. Alright, once it's in place, looks good, right? Let me give you guys a closer look at this. So this is the body part up close, and this is the face. You can tell, of course, that it's original. Look at the painting on the eye. It's very nice. It's not like the glossy types found on bootleg items. Items like the gun here. Looks great. And we have all the other accessories here, like here, the cooking, the bowl, and the apron, the effects of the gunfire, the other turrets, the torpedoes, the other parts of the legs and arms, the sexy bikini, or should I say beachwear body, the basket. It all looks good here. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with the accessories. Even it comes with a float over here. So you have quite a number of possible setup for Shigure Kai-II here. One for the casual. Then there's the other formal, which is, you might say it's casual too, the apron for cooking scenes. And not forgetting the main outfit here. This is the one with smiley face. We have this one which is oh cutesy, oh please give me attention face. And not forgetting the serious face, which I can tell you that this serious face does look so adorable. I'm not going to spend time posing her right now, but this video is just to show you what's in the content. As you can see, the arms fell off. No worries, it's not loose, so no issue about it. Alright, so after toying around with Shigure Kai-II for a bit, all I can say is the build quality is expected of a Nendoroid product. What I love about it is it has a whole lot of accessories, including an apron for other Nendoroids, the alternative body, not as flexible as the main one, but it's still cute looking for a beachwear setup. Here you can see as I bring it closer in focus. Yeah, it looks great. Everything, love it. Love the faceplate, all cute, and everything else. It just works great. The only thing I find challenging is that the braided hair here, when you turn it around, it might end up. Oh, see, it comes off. When you turn the head around, the braided hair may sometimes end up hitting the arm here and lead to the popping of the arm itself. But well, putting the arm back is not something difficult. So just as you can see here, yeah, it's back. Alright, and another thing I wish to highlight, which I missed out earlier, is that the unit comes with a background. I missed it out earlier because the background here is placed at the back of this cardboard. So okay, if ever you order this unit, remember the background is at the back. Alright, so that's it for my opinion on this Shigure Kai-II. Lovely, I like her very much, and I hope that if you intend to buy her, or if you have already ordered her and waiting for her arrival, well, I hope you'll be satisfied with her. Alright, so that's it for this video for this Nendoroid model 632, which is Shigure Kai-II from Kai-II collection. For those of you who want to know about the price, I bought it at a little over 4,000 yen, and the shipping cost me slightly over 1,000 yen. And alright, so that's it for this video. Do remember to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and if you have any question about this unit, please leave your questions down below in the comment section. Alright, thank you for watching.